Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drink glutathione capsules. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen to ensure it's right for you. Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant that supports various bodily functions, including detoxification and immune health. Understanding the correct way to take it helps maximize its benefits. Let's dive into the best practices for consumption. For optimal absorption, it's generally recommended to take glutathione capsules on an empty stomach. This means about 1 hour before a meal or 2 hours after. Swallow the capsule with a full glass of water, around 8 ounces, to aid digestion and absorption. Avoiding food, especially protein, around the time of consumption can help improve its effectiveness. Consistency is crucial when taking glutathione capsules. For the best results, aim to take your supplement at the same time each day. While individual experiences vary, many people notice benefits after several weeks of consistent use. Always adhere to your healthcare provider's recommendations regarding the duration of your supplementation to ensure safety and efficacy. Remember to store your glutathione capsules properly in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain their potency. Never exceed the recommended dosage unless specifically advised by your doctor. If you experience any unusual side effects, such as digestive upset or skin reactions, discontinue use and consult your healthcare provider immediately. Your health and safety are paramount.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.